thank all of my fans for subscribing on my YouTube channel, and and giving me great feedbacks on everything. Let's keep this fitness evolution going, and I'll see you guys soon. You bleeding shot, getting up high rocks. Damn, you's a hard motherfucker. Let's get it. You in deep shit. No matter where it's sick, you're supposed to be a hard motherfucker. Let's go get it. She two-tone, nigga, run up on that. Yo, that's a tombstone. Get her like a payphone. Jade the snake. You so tough. Now, I hit incline first because most guys are weak on their incline presses, so you want to do that first. It's called priority training. You hit the body part that you're weak at first and develop that, so you have an all-around balanced workout and a balanced physique. Just finished with press-ups on the floor. It's really good to do that because it really stretches the chest when you finish your workout. It's a very good finishing exercise if you have the energy to do that. Please get that done, and also make sure you stretch when you're done training because it reduces the soreness. And also hit chest once a week, let it recover, and make sure you hit it again hard, and always change your workout around. Alright, peace. Make sure you follow me on my YouTube channel, Twitter, Facebook. Stay tuned. Peace.